rooftop unit trips every hour. Tenants are on the phone, the crew stays late patching it, and accounting shrugs, next fiscal. That's the exact moment a practical project dies on the vine.
No way. 6 months of overtime and complaints for a "we'll see" from finance? That's a disaster in slow motion.
Hey there, welcome to On-Site Insight, where we talk about projects and subjects that help you move toward equipment planning and away from crisis management. Today, we're making that case. How to turn a deferred mechanical need into an approved ask with 1 page of tight math and a clear funding plan.
Good. Tell me up front, what actually shifts someone's mind from later to signed?
3 things: first-year cash impact, avoided emergency cost, and uptime value. Put those on 1 page with conservative assumptions and a funding option that keeps near-term cash flow neutral. Simple math, clear ask.
Okay, show me the math. Start with first-year cash impact.
Short version, don't say savings, say dollars avoided in year 1. Example, install cost $25,000. Energy delta, old unit burns 15% more, say $3,000 saved. Emergency calls average $8,000 a year avoided. That's $11,000 in first-year cash impact. Exactly. Then uptime value. That's the one that wakes up operations and business leaders. Say the building loses conditioned environment for 2 hours during the business-critical shift. Even a conservative $500 an hour in lost productivity is $1,000. Scale that to probable events, and you have a real business cost.
And avoided emergency cost stands alone too, right? CFOs like predictability.
Yes, listed as its own line. Number of emergency callouts per year times average cost. Show the old spend and the projected post-install spend, usually near 0 for that failure mode. Conservative, documented, defensible.
Let's build a single 1-page snapshot together. I'll interrupt you, short checks, because long monologues put folks to sleep.
Perfect. Header. Project title and location. Line A. Total installed cost, $25K. Line B. First year cash impact. Energy, $3K, plus avoided emergency, $8K, equals $11K. Line C. Uptime value. Save $5K conservatively. Line D. Net first year impact, $16K. Line E. Payback, 1.6 years. Funding options. Rebates, maintenance offsets, short-term financing. Close with assumptions and the approval requested.
Pause. That funding line is where people get twitchy. Finance will say capital only, or we need 3 bids. What's the fast play?
Good friction. First counter, split the presentation. Show equipment as capital, but immediately offset it with OPEX reductions, rebate dollars, 1-year maintenance credits, or a 12 to 24-month loan that flattens payments. That converts a single big hit into manageable monthly cash flow.
Okay, but I want a real objection handled live. Finance says we'll never approve $25K this quarter. What do you say in the room?
I hear the cash constraint. Here's an option that keeps net first-year cash flow neutral, a $4K utility rebate plus 12-month low-interest financing. Approve a 2-unit pilot this quarter. We'll measure emergency calls and energy and present final results before scaling.
Still, someone will say we can't do pilot money either. I don't buy that. You push back with process. Let procurement require 3 bids. Fine. We've pre-vetted 2 vendors and 1 in-house repair estimate. You get competition without delay.
Exactly. Anticipate the procedural asks and answer them in the 1-pager. That removes the easy reasons to stall.
Tell a quick, real story. Make this tangible.
A facilities director I worked with had an RTU fleet failing twice a month, overtime and tenant refunds. He built a 1-pager, $30K install, $12K first-year savings, $10K avoided emergency spend, $5K rebate, 12-month financing. CFO signed within the week because the net year 1 hit was near neutral and risk dropped. Result, emergency calls down 80% in 6 months.
Nice. That hits the skepticism.
Okay, practical checklist. Give me 5 things I can do in 30 minutes.
1. Pick assets past trigger points, age, frequent cycling, complaint history. 2. Pull 3 numbers, installed cost, vendor quote, average annual emergency spend, conservative energy delta. 3. Estimate uptime cost conservatively. 4. Check utility rebates and vendor financing. 5. Fill the one-pager and hit send with a pilot ask.
While you're doing that, here's an email you can copy. Short and decisive. Subject: Request RTU pilot to reduce emergency spend. Hi name. Attached is a one-page case for replacing RTU number 4 at building. Installed cost $25,000. First year cash impact $16,000. Energy plus avoided emergency plus uptime. After a 4K rebate and 12-month financing, net first year outlay is neutral. Requesting approval to pilot 2 units this quarter. Attached, one-pager and vendor quote. Thanks, your name. Send it. Don't over-explain.
Love that. Short ask, attachment, pilot. 2 quick friction points to call out before we wrap. If they insist capital only, show OPEX offset side by side. If procurement needs bids, pre-vet the quotes. Those small prep steps avoid big delays.
One last real talk. Be conservative and document assumptions. Use lower bound savings. Cite incident logs for downtime claims. And attach vendor quotes. If they push back, the paper trail makes your case stronger.
Quick recap. Reframe the request as operational savings using 3 metrics. Present a one-page case with funding options and ask for a small pilot or financing to keep near-term cash flow neutral. Do that and you turn deferred work into a funded project.
If you want the one-page template and the exact email, download the template from our show page and send us your draft. We'll give quick feedback and suggest tightening the numbers. Mark quick review in the subject for a faster turn.
Thanks for listening to On-Site Insight, where we discuss issues important to the unsung heroes of facility management. Run the 30-minute checklist, use the one-page template, and send your draft to insights@onsite-example.com for feedback. Take care and see you next time. On-Site Insight, where we provide insight for your on-site.